Do it again. Mama didn't have the camera ready. Okay, now do it. Do it again.
He ain't gonna do it now.
You better do it, no monkey.
Go for it, bud. Come on. He is camera shy.
No, he's stubborn. Come
Come
on.
on, buddy.
Come on.
One little more.
Get around that arm. Come on, big boy. Come on, almost there, almost there. Come on, Connor. Push. He's kind of stuck. You can do it. You can do it.
Push a little harder. Come on. I give up.
His rolled over, it's just his arm was under him. Come on, big boy, do it
You gotta put
again.
that arm in, buddy.
Oh, he was so close. Do it again.
You gotta do one quick motion.
Greetings.
You just did it before I turned the camera on.
You gotta work for it. Come on. Kick. You got like, ah.
Come on, Connor, come on. You can do it, buddy. Yay! He did it! Woo! Today is April 10th, I think. 2011. It's the first time Connor really rolling over, not on the bed. Okay? So good job! Good job, dear boy! Yay!